Hi everyone, welcome to Dawn Kitchen. Guys, today Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Yes, you're perfectly right. I'm going to show you how to put fondant on a cake. It's just like 1, 2, 3. Once you have the technique, you have the proper tool, it will be successful. So hopefully you enjoy this video. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will always be the first to know when Dawn upload a video. And to all my subscriber, YouTuber follower, a big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. I already have a cake here that I bake. It's a black rum fruit cake. So this is what I'll be putting the fondant on today. I have my fondant here. This is how the fondant look. And here I have my frosting. Vanilla frosting. I have my rolling pin and so let's begin, friends. With the vanilla frosting, we're gonna paint the cake. You have to cover all the cake with the vanilla frosting. With the fondant, I'm using the lavender, and let it very easy for us. You just need a piece of parchment paper. See, my parchment paper cut, and you place the fondant down, and you're gonna begin with your hand. After you finish press out, now you're gonna get your rolling pin and we're gonna begin rolling. The parchment paper, it go a bit slippery on the counter, but never mind that. When you roll like this, it easily lifts. Remember, the fondant is sugar, so a lot of sugar, so you don't want to be playing around with it too long, because it will become very sticky when it becomes too warm. So we're just going to continue to roll. You're going to roll to get enough, like the size of the cake, to cover the cake. Now when you finish rolling the fondant, you're going to wrap on the rolling pin. Just lift it up with paper just like that, as easy as that. You want to make your work easy, guys. You just don't want all sugar and all those stuff. It makes the work very, very hard and complicated. So you roll it on your rolling pin just like that. And with the fondant on the rolling pin, you're going to begin at the length over there. And you just want enough. You're just going to come. Just look how easy we do it, guys. Yeah. As easy as 1, 2, 3, just like that. And as you can see, every part is covered with the fondant. Let me get this piece off. Now you want to smooth the top of the fondant. If you notice, it's a bit rough. So now we place the fondant on the cake. If the fondant get a little bit dry like this here, you can always moisten with a little water, damp. Not too much water, just a little bit. And we're gonna, don't worry about the rough edges because you're not gonna see any of that. And we're just gonna roll the fondant now. Finish roll out the fondant like this. We're gonna place it right alongside here. But you have to use, remember, you got to use the frosting. We're working with our frosting. The frosting is what gonna let it stick, let it hold together. And press it on. So this is a yellow guy. You're gonna roll it this much. This was white, so what we did, we mix it with some food coloring. And you're just gonna roll it out. Remember, you're using the frosting to hold. So you press. So this piece of fondant, I'm just going to fold the wax paper over, and I'm going to roll with a rolling pin. Remember, if you roll on the counter or your cutting board, you have to use sugar, powdered sugar, ice-cream sugar, or elsewhere the fondant will stick. When you roll on the wax paper, it's much better. You just roll and you lift and you're good to go. See, you just lift, just like that, and I'm gonna cut some design to put on top of the fondant. On top of the cake, I mean, and just gonna lay it right there, just like that, and you press. If when you put it can't stick, remember, just use your frosting, and I will be continue doing this until all is finished. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, spicy family. I've finished decorate the cake with fondant. Ain't it looking delicious and looking so nice, guys. So give it a try. How to decorate your cake with fondant. Worry no more. Just tune into D-Don and you will see it's just quick and easy, as long as you do it on the parchment paper. Don't do it on the counter here with the sugar. Sometimes it stick and it give you a lot of work. When you roll on the parchment paper or wax paper, grease paper, you just roll it to the rolling pin and just put it over. And this is our cake, looking beautiful, looking so beautiful with the fondant all around. So thank you for watching D-Don Kitchen, guys. Please take care of yourself, and above all, let us be our brother's keeper. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don is doing a video. And share the video with friend, family, relative, co-worker, and take care of yourself. Peace and love from my kitchen to your kitchen. I'll see you where on the next one.